Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making a crunchy cabbage salad. Enjoy the refreshing crunchy cabbage salad with savory garlic and sesame flavors. Whether as a side or a standalone dish, it's the perfect addition to any meal. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1/3 of cabbage, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 of salt, toasted sesame seeds. Step 1. Wash the cabbage and tear it into bite-sized pieces. Grate the garlic. Step 2. Combine the cabbage, grated garlic, sesame oil, and salt in a plastic bag. Shake the bag well to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Serve the cabbage on the plate and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. I hope you enjoy this tasty, crunchy cabbage salad. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.